Introduction. Crystals are solid materials that are characterized by a regular and repeating arrangement of atoms, ions, or molecules. This repeating pattern is known as the crystal lattice, and it is the basis for the structure and properties of crystals. In this video, we will discuss crystal lattices and unit cells, which are the fundamental building blocks of crystal structures. Body. A crystal lattice is a three-dimensional arrangement of atoms, ions, or molecules in a crystal. It is characterized by a repeating pattern of points that represent the positions of the constituent particles. The crystal lattice can be described by a set of lattice points, which are imaginary points that represent the positions of the atoms, ions, or molecules in the crystal. A unit cell is the smallest repeating unit of a crystal lattice. It is a three-dimensional region of space that contains the lattice points and represents the repeating pattern of the crystal lattice. There are 7 types of unit cells, each with a unique shape and arrangement of lattice points. The 7 types of unit cells are cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, monoclinic, triclinic, hexagonal, rhombohedral. The cubic unit cell is the simplest and most symmetric unit cell. It has a cube-like shape and lattice points at each corner and center of the cube. The tetragonal unit cell is similar to the cubic unit cell, but it is elongated in one direction. The orthorhombic unit cell is similar to the tetragonal unit cell, but it has different dimensions in all 3 directions. The monoclinic unit cell has a unique shape with different dimensions in 2 directions and a skew angle between them. The triclinic unit cell is the most complex unit cell, with different dimensions in all 3 directions and no symmetry. The hexagonal unit cell has a hexagonal shape with lattice points at each corner and center of the hexagon. The rhombohedral unit cell is similar to the hexagonal unit cell, but it has a different angle between the sides of the hexagon. Conclusion. In conclusion, crystal lattices and unit cells are the fundamental building blocks of crystal structures. A crystal lattice is a three-dimensional arrangement of atoms, ions, or molecules in a crystal, and it can be described by a set of lattice points. A unit cell is the smallest repeating unit of a crystal lattice, and there are 7 types of unit cells. Understanding crystal lattices and unit cells is important in the study of material science and engineering, as it can help us understand the structure and properties of different materials.